Audio Jungle.
With regard to marketing, what do most laundromat owners get wrong? What do they, where do they, what are common mistakes that they're making?
Yeah, well, the easy, like low-hanging fruit is, their Google business profile.
Mhm,
A lot of times there's just, some great opportunities to be had with like optimizing their business on
mhm,
Google.
mhm,
Not understanding the importance of reviews. They're huge.
mhm.
Uh, and then, oh shoot, there was one more that I was going to mention. What is it? Um, Underestimating what it's going to take. Uh, a lot of times owners, they've spent $1 to $3 million if they've recently built their store.
Mhm,
And, they're like, they've got check fatigue at this point. So, they've written a lot of checks, they've gone over budget, they've been
mhm,
delayed with construction,
mhm.
and retools or new construction. And,
Right.
they don't want to spend any more money.
They're done. Yeah.
They're done. And, um, we all try to pick good locations,
Mhm,
right? We pull the demographic reports, we look at the areas, we try to make informed decisions about finding a good location. But most owners think that they're just going to open the doors, and maybe they do some marketing, but owners will think, okay, we're going to open our doors and people are going to come in. But what owners don't understand is that customers are massive creatures of habit. So I always point at quarters as a great proof point for that, because lots of customers still use quarters to pay for laundry, even though there's plenty of laundromats out there that accept mobile payment or card or, something like that.
mhm,
And customers still use quarters. And it's not even because they carry quarters, it's because they're used to getting quarters to go pay for laundry. And so, for owners, when they're opening a store, what they don't realize is that they've got to break customers' habits. And that is not something that is done overnight. And that's
mhm,
something I think owners a lot of times underestimate what it will take.
mhm,
And so, going back to when it comes to marketing, you have to do everything. That's
mhm,
why, right? Because,
mhm,
some stores are going to ramp right out of the gate and
mhm,
they're just going to take off. And you're going to be at 10 turns and it's going to be, you're printing money, right? And you're
mhm,
getting your next location,
mhm,
ASAP. Not all stores do that.
mhm,
Some stores take years to ramp. And
mhm,
so it's important to
mhm,
plan for that, and if your store ramps great, then
mhm.
you're making money and you don't care that you're spent extra money on marketing.
Right.
But the,
Right.
the opposite is also true.
Mhm,
If your store takes longer to ramp and you don't spend money up front on the marketing that's needed,
mhm,
now you're in a more difficult spot. And so I think owners now just need to just bite the bullet,
mhm.
and really take their marketing more seriously.
Right. And as you say, at least in the beginning, do everything to change those habits, to change those customer habits, if need be, in that particular market. Right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.